XRP is one of the most misunderstood assets in the crypto world, not because it's complicated, but because of what it was designed to do. It wasn't built for speculative trading. It was built to replace one of the oldest systems in global finance. This is not financial advice. This is the story of why XRP matters. Number 10. The world runs on SWIFT. Most international bank transfers use the SWIFT network. It's slow, expensive, and outdated, built in the 1970s. Transfers take days and pass through multiple middlemen. Everyone in the system charges a fee. Number 9. XRP was designed for the banking system. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, XRP wasn't created to replace banks. It was designed to upgrade how banks move money, fast, cheap, and direct. Number 8. XRP transacts in seconds. A global transfer on SWIFT can take 3 to 5 days. The same transfer using XRP takes 3 to 5 seconds. That's not a small improvement, that's a different game. Number 7. Fees are almost zero. Sending money with XRP costs a fraction of a cent. Compared to traditional international fees, this is disruptive. And disruption is what scares institutions. Number 6. It removes middlemen. Banks earn money by being in the middle of transactions. XRP allows money to move without them taking a cut. Less friction means less profit for them. Number 5. The lawsuit changed everything. When the SEC sued Ripple, many assumed XRP was finished, but the court ruling clarified one thing. XRP itself is not a security. That changed the narrative. Number 4. Now banks can actually use it. The legal clarity opened the door for adoption. Financial institutions are watching closely. Some already test XRP behind the scenes. Number 3. The ETF possibility isn't hype. If approved, an XRP ETF would bring institutional liquidity, not speculation, infrastructure. That is a different scale of demand. Number 2. XRP isn't just currency, it's a bridge. XRP's role is to connect currencies across borders, dollar to yen, euro to peso, instant, a global value translator. Number 1. Banks don't talk about it because it's a threat. The system isn't afraid of technology, it's afraid of efficiency, because efficiency moves power. If this changed how you see crypto, subscribe and stay here. We don't chase hype, we explain the game.